Remittance inflows to Kenya have increased tenfold in the last 15 years, reaching an all-time record of $3,718 million in 2021, according to Central Bank of Kenya. This is the equivalent of over 456 billion Kenya shillings. Statistics further indicate that the bulk of the cash goes towards consumption and basic needs. In the past, Kenyans abroad have feared to invest back home because some have lost their cash channeled through relatives, friends, or unscrupulous institutions. Joy Wanjiru Sens, the founder of a welfare association known as African Women in Europe, says this has been a major factor discouraging Kenyans from investing back home.
We have been sending a lot of money here in Africa, in Kenya, and we have a feeling it's a big pot with a hole that never fills up. Some of us come back home and find nothing. So how can we change that to generation wealth?
However, confidence among Kenyans abroad to invest back home is growing thanks to the coming up of credible investment partners like commercial banks. The Kenyan members of the African Women in Europe have joined hands to form a circle, and Cooperative Bank is its banking partner.
It's a channel to invest with entrepreneurs. We Diaspora invest in terms of saving our money here through SACCO, and from the SACCOs, what happened is that we have entrepreneurs coming in from Kenya and they borrow loans where we give them to grow their businesses. The Cooperative Bank is our bank holding the SACCO. We invest, put our money with them. That's where we channel our money. And they have been a great partner in terms of guiding and also together with the institution itself, the cooperative.
According to Pauline Kieme, the head of Diaspora Banking and Remittances at Cooperative Bank of Kenya, the department's challenge is to get a better understanding of the people of East and Central Africa living abroad, promote access to their remittances across the region, link these remittances to financial solutions, and develop innovative investment opportunities for these migrants and recipients.
We serve Kenyans who reside in different parts of the world. As long as they are Kenyan and they are out there, we have financial solutions. We want to encourage them to invest back home. I know Kenyans work hard all over the world, and we want to support them by offering them financial solutions and services. So we start with a typical account. We are able to open for them accounts, and this we do in different currencies. We have a wide range of accounts, starting from individual accounts. We offer group accounts. We also bank SACCOs. We have SACCO accounts and children accounts in the name of Jumbo Junior accounts.
Pauline, who is a diaspora returnee who has lived and studied in the UK and USA, says Cooperative Bank works with its clients to avail tailor-made solutions to their needs.
We open accounts for you, and then we offer you investment solutions. So you're a Kenyan out there, you want to save. We give you savings options, which are interest earning, and your money is able to work for you. If you want to buy shares in the Nairobi Stock Exchange, we facilitate that. You can also participate in the treasury bills and bonds, which we facilitate from here.
When it comes to remittance services, Cooperative Bank works with over 14 money transfer organizations.
And this is meant to provide our customers with diverse means of sending money back home. Anytime you send money, you have the option of sending money directly to a mobile phone or to a bank account, any bank account in Kenya, or oftentimes if you wish and you are sending to someone in the village or even in any other town in Kenya, you can send them directly and they'll be able to visit a Cooperative Bank branch and be able to collect the money. Again, as Cooperative Bank, we endeavor to offer remittance services to every corner of the country.
Thomas Kamuyu Kamau is a Kenyan accountant living in Dubai. He also imports fresh produce from Kenya. He says the culture of what are known as Chams in Kenya is taking root abroad, with members looking for effective ways of channeling their money back home.
What we do, we contribute for a given period of time. Let's say like 8-7 months. And some of them we contribute very minimum amount, which is 200 dirham. That is 200, converting to Kenya shillings, roughly 6,000. as
6,000 Kenya shillings.
Yeah, 6,000 per month.
Okay.
On which we are like 5 people. You contribute for a given period of time, then we have amount that you can gain to either the landowners and those who are holding land, then we start paying. And the idea of paying slowly is also enabling Kenyans to own properties, to own what they never thought that they could own back home.
A lot of people out there are looking for properties to buy, and we have a property hub where Kenyans can look. We verify these properties, so it helps the Kenyans abroad know that these properties are verified by the bank. And we go a step further in offering you access to finance to be able to acquire the properties that you see on the property hub. So talk to us today, we'll be happy to support.
Cooperative Bank has agents in various countries across the world who assist in account opening, among other services. Thomas is among them.
Through my assistance, they have been able to bank with Cooperative Bank, which enables them, with a simple touch of a phone, unaweza toa pesa from the Cooperative Bank account to your M-Pesa and pay for some either services, some goods. Yeah, and I was so happy because this one enables us even to renew our driving license while you are still here. And the best thing about Cooperative Bank, with a simple touch of my card here, I can swipe with the Cooperative Bank account card. While abroad, I can swipe to any of the ATM branches within here, with the different banks, pay bills from here. I'll also transact a lot with the simple card as this one, the Cooperative Bank account.
So I've been here for 4 years, and it's good.
In the UK, Stock UK Diaspora Circle, yet another Kenyan Diaspora Circle, banks with Cooperative Bank of Kenya.
Most of their banking services, they do it online. We do the transactions online, which is great, especially we're not based in Kenya. Most of the stuff we do is digital. Apart from that, I think it's to do with the cost of providing the service. It's not very expensive. The service, the charges they charge is not overly prohibitive as perhaps you'd expect from other banks. We chose CoBank because it's the main banker for most of the diaspora circles that we have, and also for the purpose of the efficiency services that they provide.
The US is Kenya's top source of remittance inflows, followed by Europe.
Currently, the trend we are observing is a lot of money is coming from the Middle East, especially Saudi Arabia. Some time back, we used to believe that money would only come from, let's say, the US or Europe, but now we are seeing a different trend where money is coming from the Middle East. And we've partnered with specific companies there, money transfer organizations, to offer our sisters and brothers who are living in the Middle East convenient means of sending money back to Kenya.
Archbishop Dr. Stephen Njenga is a cooperative bank agent based in Seattle City, Washington State, USA.
We are a registered agent with CoopBank. So if someone doesn't have, let's say, for example, doesn't have a bank account, we help them by filling in the application, submitting them to the relevant department in diaspora banking, and they facilitate by helping them to open a bank account. Nowadays, technology has made it very easy for people outside there to interact with the money transfer services. As we speak now, Kenyans and other people outside can jump onto their mobile applications or even go online to our website and key in a few information and be able to send money back home instantly. Equally, they'll be able to pay bills, let's say pay water bill or pay electricity bill or send money for a particular purpose using these services.
Cooperative Bank says it supports its diaspora customers to grow their wealth and also protect their wealth through its insurance products.
If you have a property in Kenya, we offer you domestic cover for that property. We also offer group insurance. We offer health insurance for families. You have a family member back home, a lot of money is sent to support family on health care. So we support with health care insurance. Lastly, we also offer last respect, where a customer abroad can get insurance. In the unfortunate case of a demise, we cover the costs of the expense.